Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9826XX. 38,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Patriot blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with the cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and lift control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.